There we go. Hi guys, what's up? Looks like at least the Wi-Fi's, you know, working out today, thank heavens. Seriously, after yesterday. Couldn't trade New York yesterday because the Wi-Fi decided that life apparently was optional. And it opted out. Anywho, let's get this day started. What's up, Louie? How are you? Are you good? I'm just making sure I've sorted everything out. Awesome.
Hi!
Cool.
Hi! Good morning!
What's up, Holly? I'm not even gonna bother calling you Solly because it's gonna be, yeah. You're gonna be sassy today, I can tell already. What's up, Neil? How are you? Good morning, everybody. Okay, I have not marked out anything. Oh, good grief. And obviously, I was not able to trade New York yesterday. Were they bangers, and did I miss them? I feel like they were, and I feel like I missed them. But let's see. Like I said, let's mark out every single itty bitty little thing that we got here. Yeah. Hujan's levels worked out like a dream. That coat is tough. Thank you. I think it's tough good. Did I jump in? No. I had a shower. I went for a run and quickly had a shower. So here we are. Sorry. This is me. Okay, here's Asia High. So no, I did not jump in the pool. I had a nice warm toasty shower. As one should. Just saying. Down here, previous day low. Okay. As well as relative equal highs here. Gonna make it. Okie dokie. That's all of the main points I wanted to mark out. Now, okie dokie, here we go. New daily opening gap right here. Where's Live Sound, by the way? Haven't seen him in a while. Hope he's okay. Okay, new daily opening gap. Was Asia High. And last thing, midnight. Oh, midnight. Oh, I went too far. Went too far. Oh, okay, then midnight. Opened with a bang. Righty then. That's kind of everything. Cool. Now let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. I didn't train you. Okay, so I set an alarm for you. Instead of PM. Oh no, Solly, I'm so sorry. What's up, Michelle? How are you? Here you are. What's up, Atlanta? You didn't know the kiss industry in my bed and cried on my pillow for like an hour. But I did. I'm pretty sure I did. I definitely did, Louis. What's up, OTT? How are you? For some reason I get when that happens. Are we ready for this day? How was everyone's New York session? Okay, apart from Holly who missed it. How was everyone else's New York session yesterday? Seeming as I missed it. I'm a bit bummed about it, but you know, if the Wi-Fi decides that life sucks, I can't force it to work. You definitely did not. Oh! I'm gonna have to rectify that. I'm gonna have to do like 2 kisses today then. Them the rules, I don't make the rules. New York was killer. Why? Like just good killer or bad killer? You know, it can be taken both ways. New York was chilled move but not mega moves. Okay. What a banger, and then another banger in the PM session. What the heck, OTT? And you've recently requested your payout. Damn, you've found your strategy. It's awesome. It only took you like 5 years. Well, three serious years, right? 3 serious years. Okay, top to bottom analysis. Let's do this thing. Just close there and stop that for a second. Let's do this. So daily. Ooh la la. Here we go. Well, we still haven't broken below. But some more bearish days. That's something. For our itchy nose. Guys, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I got coffee. What's up, David? How you doing? We come back in the session to Asia La. I hope someone took a trade with me. I trade super hard to trade like ICT, like stay on the 1 minute chart a lot. Let me just say that wasn't consistent. So what are you staying on now, OTT? Or are you jumping betwixt? Laura, what's up? Welcome! How are you? How's it been going? Long time no see. How's the music business treating you? Yes, I said business. Like a cool kid. That's what cool kids do, right? Also, I've been told. The children in here will have to confirm or deny. Holly? Otiana? Anything? Okie dokie, so here... Oh, David! What did you say? You drink tea again, months up from YouTube. Shout out to David. David, you get fireworks, you know the drill. You know the drill. If you're cool enough to donate, you get that. Shaggy, what's up? How are you? Mr. Short, every good thing sign about water after you get the jitters and the screen starts looking all populated. Have your caffeine high. Might be another 10k month. I'm like 3k away. Damn. Old lemon crusty, like a crusty dusty dinosaur. Hey Holly. I'm very busy with administrative stuff. Oh my god. Oh, just skip the book. Oh no. Oh Laura, I'm so Laura. I'm so sorry. That's not easy at all. I must take note of this 1 hour inverse fair value gap here. 037, cool. No. Anyways, so that's on the 1 hour. Let's check the 15-minute. Nearly clicked into the 14-minute. I'm like, that's not really a thing. The 15-minute, we only have a bearish fair value gap up further at 0.94. Cool. 5-minute. We are on further. Okay, not bad. Let's just keep jumping around a little bit today. Okay, here's the 3 a.m. open. Let's get this party started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here. Would you judge me if I ask what's... Oh!
Okay, let's go.
Sorry, this was for the 3 a.m. open off what OTT said. OTT? Sorry, I just want to give you a big hug. You are so adorable. I hope you know that. Like, in a good way. Like, I hope I'm not offending you by saying that, but you are just too precious and we all have to protect you from the world. That's all. Jackie, you're doing great. Hit profit target on all the funds account already. Just been hanging out as I have no levels of interest nearby. Nice. Doing trades from higher time frame periods like the PM session. Used a 15-minute inverse value. Back in my unprofitable days, I didn't even use a time frame higher than 1 hour. 1 minute entry. It worked sometimes for OTT. David, we pushing for 20k subs. Get real. Oh. It makes me it's manageable for you and just coordinate for you. My trading isn't really good, but I've been doing this thing. Yeah. Still judging me. I don't know. Having that issue, I found that the best thing for me to do is after a winning trade to take a break and step away, even analyze the win in order to reset again. I'm precious. RTT approves. Piece of stuff you cut off when you use your cleaver. It's a type of knife. Nah, that's worse. How much again? There's probably nothing else worse than that. I agree with OTT on that one, Solly. Sorry. It is what you say. If a cop ever says anything you say will be held against you. Skeletor, that was good. Even unisex way to say boobs. Not exactly. Yeah, I was gonna point it out and I was like, no, let me not do that. Anyways. Okay, so 3 a.m. open. We appear to be a little bit wiki right now. So that's something to just keep in mind. Let's see if we get anything today. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. So can someone tell me what I need to know now? Okay, give me a second. Let me rather do this so I don't get banned. Female roundness north of the shirt is a wild sentence. It's not wrong though. A giveaway. No. Use my code enough and maybe. OTT, you're too precious for this world. I hope you know that. Found myself humming this background music while working yesterday. That is amazing, Neil. That is amazing. But people are like, what are you doing? Be like, I am living my best life. That's what I'm doing. And I'm having fun while doing it. Ooh. This do look promising for a potential short a little bit later. Let's see, it might spike, tap into VWAP and then drop back down. Dad would be so proud of OTT. Oh, hello. As I said, potentially shorts. Oh, never mind. Let's go. I did say maybe tap into VWAP first. Little break above there. I mean, that was a pretty decent break above, actually. See if it continues to break above. Yeah, poop. Yeah. Just locked into the charts, what a bad. The app is strong resistant. Didn't see that unless you see it on the Louis, what? What a sentence to read. Oh no, here's the push. Let's see if it continues to break above. Tapped properly into VWAP R and ES. Sorry, I got that song stuck in my head. Ordered 012. Oh, nice. That's a nice buy. It's not terrible, but I feel like if it breaks VWAP that strong, that's gonna tag me in. It's gonna be coming further back down. Here's the new daily opening gap as well. This thing is running away from me. Beep 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 doo 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 doo. TP056. Oh, so tapped into TP. Nice, Louis. Well done. Watch it turn the other direction now. Maybe one day we can have a normal stream chat. I highly doubt it. Good land that people can't enjoy. Some basic tunes. I don't quite enjoy songs with banging any. Oh, about. I read that wrong. I read that real wrong for a second, Neil. I was like, what? You know, if you like some folksy music, I've got the band for you. They are absolutely wild, but I love them so much. I'm not trading until New York. OTT is throwing me off. I'm sweating and can't concentrate. Oh, damn. It's getting hot in here, Sally. Was it Holly? Which one's out right now? I need to slow down. I'm enjoying this so much that I'm like downing my coffee. Just slow down. Slow down. We are like 9 minutes in and I've nearly finished my coffee. We can't have that. That is terrible. are you running? Why are you running away? Come back. Thank you. Okay, so tapped into the new daily. Let's see if this is a little bit of a rejection. Double top there. Little rejection at the new daily. Thanks for... Is it really so cold you have to wear a jacket? It looks like you're gonna climb Everest. Yes, it can't be that cold. To be fair, this isn't like a super warm jacket, but it's not cold either today. I don't know. It's just, it's comfy. If I get too hot and I get uncomfy, I'll take it off. But I don't know. I don't know. It's just comfy right now. Yeah. I like being comfy. Louis, it's called fashion? That jacket kind of reminds me of a pimp. Atlanta, don't do that. 50 Cent would wear that in New York. There's the rejection. How much would I be risking for this? Oh. This could be one of those where it comes and wicks out. And it's right by this line. Oh, I just don't like where stop loss is. How much would it have been out of curiosity? 50 points. What have we taken? Well, apart from... Okay, we did take out some liquidity. We did tap into the new daily. So further pullback is expected. Laughing on. Huge. What's up, David? How are we doing? And Tyson, what's up, Tyson? Watch this mother fluffer work out now. Not quite rejecting as much as I would have wanted it to. Well. The buyers are struggling. OTT, you sent me to the moon. So locked in. ETRs in 200. Now I'm loving this price action. I think this could hit your TP. Hey, LV vibes. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? It's just, it's struggling, Louis. You would expect, you would want to see a little bit more momentum coming off of this bob level, but it's failing. Oh, as I said that. Might kick myself for this one. Oh well. Debbie, what's up? That's Debbie.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, Deb? Hey, Nick, what's up? I need like bank statements and. Are you long or short before I play my you know, I'm a good grief. It's just get how it's a bad thing. What's up, Coach Carter? How you doing? There we go. There's a little bit of a retracement. That trade looks A+ to me. Is that an A+ trade in your opinion, or is that a B or C? This one here, this one that I have set up. So, Louis, theoretically, A+. Theoretically, okay. But a few too many concerns with it, if that makes sense. Few too many concerns being the rejection off of the new daily opening gap with this huge wick. Okay, that's number one. Second of all, being the open is down here, it normally likes to come back and re-tap into the open, which is right by my stop loss. Like I said, we didn't have enough push off of the bob level. It is still rejecting off of it though. But clearly it's struggling. Coach Carter, you good? Sorry, I was ICT greatest student. Maybe calling me son. I'm not there yet. You guess you're going long? What do you mean you guess you're going long? Because I wasn't keen on longs? That's rude. I do mark equal highs and lows. Why? We just don't have the volume to the buy side right now. Where's all the volume gone? What happened? There was so much now. Oh, wait a second. Is this bear flagging? Bull flagging? Sorry, wrong one. Bull flagging. Where is the momentum? Da, 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 da. Volume camming. Give it a second. Can you give it a minute? I got a feeling it'll hit your TP, just a hunch. Could be wrong though. Louis, do you know what? Because I didn't take it, it probably is. Let's, if we're being honest, because I didn't take it, it probably is. So, but let's see. Like I said, theoretically it was A+. There was just a few too many red flags. Yeah? Yeah. Well, I have no clue what direction to go. No. Okay, that's making me bullish, but the rest I got no clue. That's wrong. What's wrong? 9 minute, that's why. Oh, there we go. That's why it's gonna work out. What, because velocity is in it? 320. I would have expected it to have gone a tiny bit further down. Just looking at ES as well. Just for it to or tap into or retest, whatever you want to call it, the VWAP, but it did not reach it. It didn't take it, it wasn't meant for you. Yesterday I caught a 15-1. INQ rejection of the 13-point stop loss. Damn, coach! What the heck? Also, coach, out of curiosity, why were you in the voice chat for like 20 hours? Are you good? Everyone was like, whoa, dedication. Love it. Are you a magician or practice magic before? No, why? What a weird question. No, never. Why? What? I've never been asked that. That threw me a little bit. What? Because when I look at you... Oh, okay. That was terrible. What level is my 1.1? That level's at 093.00. Corny. What's up, Jonathan? How you doing? My soul just threw up. Gosh. And I was really invested in that. I was like, oh my gosh, am I doing something that looks magic? And then Louis said that. Respect, Louis. That was pretty funny. Ooh. Look at these giant wicks. Ooh, I think the sellers might be coming back here. Yeah, no, sellers might be coming back into play here. So huge wicks to the buy side. Sorry.
That's what she said.
I didn't know how to exit from the voice chat on Discord. Don't worry, I've been there before. Okay, Coach Powder, that makes sense. I added extra corn to that one. Short is coming. Add it up. This is one horrible London session. Don't say that yet, OTT. I mean, we have literally just begun. We are 23 minutes into this bad boy. Anything could happen. We still have time. What's up, Silver? How are you doing? You press the little icon that looks like an old school handheld phone. That looks like an old school handheld phone. You mean a landline? Gosh. An old school handheld phone. Yeah. Just broke structure on the 15-minute. Would have been a nice little 1-to-1 or bob level on that one. I want to go back to bed now. You're making me sit here for the hope of London might pick up. Oh, no, they go back to bed. Oh, by the way, OTT, I actually wanted to send you a message earlier. How are you feeling? Going back here. Sorry. I got distracted. Hey. Coffee. I've missed having coffee. What's up, Mr. 1K? How you doing? Sleep tracking. You made it this far. Watch price on the 15-minute. And what? What's up, Big Snakes? How you doing? Don't say hi. Why? Hey, Piash. Can I explain my strategy of trading? Click and hope. No, I'm kidding. I was gonna say click and hope. That's a lie. So essentially, it's a bit of a hybrid between market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. So I want to see it retrace to the 50% of a range. There has to be 3 or more confluences. That's where the ICT and SMC comes into play as well. And then go 1 to 2 hour back up. Like I said, theoretically this was an A+ setup, but there was just too many red flags and potential that could have happened. But it looks like it is slowly grinding back up. I think the real test would be at this I'm kind of actually eyeballing this right now, but around the 50% of this wick here. It's around 50%. Let's see. So I'm curious to see if I got that on the 50. Oh my gosh. Nice. Sorry, I literally eyeballed that. 50% of the wick right there. Ooh. Okay, I'm feeling. Oh, I'm gonna become all arrogant real quick if I keep doing that. Anyways, don't let the ego get to you guys. Anyways. Am I not tired of? Oh, please don't say from running through your mind all day. Is it that one? That one? No. What's up, Lord Bat? I'm telling you, there's a whole different world up there. OTT, these brothers are starved. You want to see something cool? Go on then. Show me something cool. He's the chosen one. She's the Wick Whisperer. Shaki, I appreciate that, but maybe never say that again because...
That's what she said.
Wick is a little bit too close to another word. That rhymes. Holly is here to slow that ego down. Yeah, of course. I'm just wondering because you look a bit tired. Really? But I now have coffee. But I'm super happy. Sometimes he random appears in the chat of people's streams. He has Silver Age. Actually, twice. He has, yeah. Responsive trading. Breakout trading right now today. Plan. Oh, nice fix. Next, okay. You know what? That is spot on. Which is spot on. We go up now and break that wick. Let's see. Like I said, I want to see it might reject off of the 50% of that wick. The fact that ES is really, really struggling. ES is really struggling. And it's one of those situations on ES. I'm actually going to draw this. So it's in a bit of a range here. Wherever it breaks out of is the direction I think we're going to be headed. Just looking at ES right now. It just has to decide. Because that is 100% barcoding. Not so much here on NQ though. Wait. Hasn't broken yet. Got close. Didn't break it on ES. Put that on a t-shirt. Oh, Wick Whisper valid. Meant to say how much price in the 50-minute only dropped to the one. I'm going to put entry up. I should be able to put it in the 50-minute structure. It's going to pull back deeper. I'm here for the profits or a wife. Either one. My boyfriend named Richard and you whisper at him. Wick Whisper is going on. Gosh. Oh, the level that I just said. Oh, thank you. I had an uncle named Richard. So in every swing should have 50% retracement and stop loss will be 0.2 and target will be 1 point. Yeah, basically. Yeah, basically. Does it always work? No. Does every single strategy always work? No. If I was better at taking them, I actually would be doing a lot better. I need to get that mindset that I had yesterday of duck it. Yeah. Well, we broke out of this little barcode here on ES. That was that little bit of a pullback there. Let's see, I did predict that, I suspect, let's not say predict, predict is the wrong word. I did suspect that if it broke out of this English, good grief, okay, if it broke out of this, we might be headed further back down. Let's see if I am correct or not with that little bit of an analysis. Regardless, this probably would have been a break-even trade. So nothing gained, nothing lost. With how slow it was going, I probably would have moved this to break-even. So maybe I would still be in this. Maybe not. But it's looking like this would have probably been a break-even trade. So like I said, nothing gained, nothing lost, not taking this trade. It's arranging. Louis, sorry, that's how I read your message. The level that you just marked is a high volume level. This one here? This one right here? Or the one on ES? How do you see buyers don't have power sellers coming? Oh, Tiana, if you show cleavage, you'll hit 20k subs in 1 week. Don't even need a strat. Damn. Okay. Sorry. Am I watching the Discord? Did you post something on the Discord? Let me see. I was in Discord now. Aha! There we go. I see you did tap me. Give me a second. Okay, so that's the trade you are in. Where is 031? What are you on? Wait a minute. I feel like we're trading different things right now. Flip. Some of them literally just down to nothing from different countries and my algorithm thing on YouTube started showing me other trading girls. Wow, thanks YouTube. You trying to say something? Hey. Sorry. Here. Looky. There it goes. There it goes. Okay, broke below, broke out of that little barcode. That's it. Technically, if you got in this trade, you still haven't been in drawdown. No, you're not wrong, Louis. If I show clear and I'm getting 50k. Oh, no. Algorithm tried to get me to bail out on your mind. I know, I'm a little bit offended. My YouTube did the same. These are the ICT women. Wow. How rude. But I'm just way more fun. Oh no. Claudia and Tanya. I don't know who Claudia is. I obviously know Tanya. I know Iris as well. There's another... What's her name? Lumi Trade. She seems quite cool. Is it Lumi? I think it's Lumi. Oh, it's cute when you act sassy. Thanks. Same version. We're an e-girl, golf girl, now trading girl. Heck yeah! I've been known to lurk in Claudia chat. Is she pretty? It looked very profitable. She probably was making profitable. She's always so locked in. Limited entertaining. Her accent kills me. Good grief. Now we're here chatting about other... We always have the weirdest conversations. I really, really hope you guys know that. Like, honestly, we have the weirdest chats ever. Iris's chat is more like going to church. This chat feels like hanging out in a bar. With your best friends, obviously. Okay, now it's starting to get a little bit hot. Now I'm concerned after the whole shoulders and don't get jealous. I'm too young to be reading all of this. I would never be jealous. You guys are like my besties. I know. I just throw the jacket down and watch everyone start falling in line. 40 shots give me seizures. So much going on. Tanya chat is like going to school. Oh. Atlanta drink water. Wait. Wache Biggie. There's that rejection. There's that rejection. Ah! Could I be super freaking cheeky and do this? Has to take out the high though. How does this look on the 1 minute? Are we doing a ducat day today? Is today a ducat day? Do we do a ducat day today? Part of me wants to say yes. Always be cheeky. I must imagine attending my Claudia. Let me stream. Lord Bat, I'm not in London. I'm in South Africa. Is it cold? Theoretically, no. I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby. I'm so sorry. Don't judge me for saying that. I'm judging myself. That was very cringe. Y'all are gonna judge me. My back is going into spasm. Ugh. Being greedy, I'm working on entering my greed stage of trading. Why'd you say that? This chat is like Black Mirror episode 2. Be confused. Ruthless efficiency is coming next. I'm too busy trying to get falls. What was that? Excuse me, sir. Pushed with so much force and effort, and then nothing is coming from that. Dom, you just entered a short there? Okay then. A little shorty short was taken by Dom at that level. Want to see if it does reject off of here. I'm telling myself no, I'm telling myself no, I'm telling myself no. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. With regards to just marketing and with the buy. Oh shit, Dama's going against us, yep. I entered the grade stage like 6 months ago. I'll never look back. OTT, you know what, you have a very valid point, and I have no answer for you. Shoot, did it take it? Okay, it did not reject off of that wick. Like I thought maybe it would. SMT was created there. Let's just look on the 5 minute, wait a second. Back up into this fair value gap on the 5 minute. Where is it at? 104. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's left. It's left. I don't even want to see that anymore because that's gonna make me. Okay, 104 is where I said 104 on the 5 minute. That's still terrifying, but friend is friend. There's a huge value gap on the 5 minute. That actually doesn't look bad at all. Here we go. I've placed it now. Checked off of there. Oh, I'm not coming far enough back down. Damn it. It's about to tag into that. It's at 105. You said enjoy the magic you created, already supposed to. Let me get a whoop whoop velocity. It's like I started something. You get a whoop whoop. What's happening? Thanks, Maya, for the sweet entry. You're welcome. Oh man. Okay. Bob to Bob. Straight up Bob to Bob. David, you lucky unicorn. Oh yeah, she had 0.5 entry. I'm gonna tap back into it. I took it. Atlanta. Okay, my bad. He slept and it's all her fault. I'm sorry. You're welcome. I don't know what I need to say right now. Anyways. We still have time, we still have time, we still have time, we still have time, we still have so much time. Do 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 do. It's not even 4 AM yet. We still have time. Okay, the jacket's coming off. Sorry, guys. It's getting. Happy. Covered. Go bet, it's okay, now I'll be down. Really, I do. I made some money, so you can just say, yeah, watch and learn. What's up, Abita? How you doing? The bark was on point. The Bob to Bob trade I had would have slapped right now. Okay, but that does mean that was a solid rejection. That was a solid rejection. That was a very solid rejection. Might give us something back down a little bit. At least 2 here, let's see. Watch the like scope 10%. You guys are so bad. I like seeing the excitement and people making their money sometimes, I can't lie. Is it bad that I kind of want to do this? And I don't know what you told me what's going on. Your shoulder pattern. Gosh, Silva, that is terrible. Oh, my fault. I don't know. It sounds like a knife. Guys, we need to protect OTT with our lives. Seriously, way too precious. Way too precious. Don't. Oh. Why? Louis, you're the one that says be more bold. Take them. Bean. I've not been doing this thing again. My fingernails, I have knees, elbows. I know some things. Damn OTT, you smart, hey? You smart. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Alright, no. Blocking shots everywhere. What is your kryptonite? So this is the 0.5 of this whole level. Tapped into the new daily. Struggle to break below it. Struggling to go back above this. This would have been a stop loss if I had done that. Oh no, it would not have been. Oh, it's about to be. Never mind. Okay. I really don't mind. I can't get overloaded. I just keep on trucking like Forrest Gump. Compared to sensing your heart rate as you were in drawdown of it. I wasn't in drawdown, coach. But anyways. I've been open. Tom, I took this trade like I didn't take the trade. So me. Look for yourself. We are going to hell. No, not me. You heathens! Until Maya and Devs was like, no, block the mirror. It's called being empathetic, so I'm told. Who lied to you? I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm kidding. That was sassy. Might be. You know, honestly, if there's gonna be a short, it's gonna be there. Basically a 1-to-1 trade. Look on the 15. Just missed tapping into that little bit of a volume imbalance on the 15-minute. We did tap into the shelf. It looks like it's what it is rejecting off of. Filled the fair value gap on the 15-minute. But we do kind of look like we are headed for Asia highs now. But let's see if we're going to be potentially retesting the full range or not. Sorry, I know this is, wait a second, very chaotic on the 1 hour. New high low was formed. Let's see, we need to break above 190.75 to get proper confirmation that we are indeed back to being bullish. Well, we need that change of character and then a break of structure to get that solid confirmation on the 1 hour. That would be that trade. That's called a mail order. Oh my gosh. Watch and see if my TP, when I say I bought, watch and see if my TP hits, and then when I say I sold, watch and see, but put your stop loss into profit pretty quickly. You still make $20. And my data. No, Atlanta, do not. Do not. Yeah, bring that in. Saying Japan and Korea type of region. I think he'll be back in about 4 days. No, guys. No, he is a little bit too much. You know, he tried to like message me on Instagram as well, and I was just like, nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. In case you missed that, nope. Just absolutely not. David, the note will be satisfying. OTT, you do know Lady Boy said that. Guys, stop corrupting him. He is too sweet and pure for this conversation. Leave him alone. He still drinks milkshakes. Is OTT okay? Actually likes them. Hello! OTT is good. When he looked up... What? No? GMP season 1, there was like 40,000. That was kind of fun. I'm bored. Maya, what's your favorite food? Maya, I love you. Maya, you wanna know something? Maya, I love you. Maya. keeps rejecting off of the 50% of this wick. Down there, rejected. Hasn't, okay, there it's about to. Man, how much would I be risking? Poop. I would be risking quite a bit for this trade. Hey Mike, what's up? I should not be wanting to forward test when unfunded. No, that would be terrifying. I don't mean to be that person, but what is wrong with you guys? Seriously, what is wrong with you guys? You guys are unhinged to another level sometimes. I really, honestly hope you know that. Like, genuinely. It's messing around. It's going to get boring now. What do you mean? Third time. Oh, what the fuck? Sorry, didn't see you. You hesitating, sit the trade out. It's okay, don't FOMO. I really want to FOMO. I really, really want to FOMO. I was kind of keen on this one, but it's too high up. I don't like where the entry is. That would have been nice. Shoot, that actually would have been nice. Yeah, well. Down to the 0.5 of the full range. Now let's see what it does there. My trigger finger is really wanting to just click something today. You really want to FOMO but really don't want to lose. Yeah, basically. Basically, that's where I'm at. Part of me wants to just be like, duck it, I don't care anymore. And then the second I try and do something, my brain goes, no, you still care. Don't do that. And I'm like, but why? But why? Why is the logical part of my brain wanting to take over? That's not fair. I never asked it to take over. Why can't the emotions just take over? It would make life so much easier. I would take so many trades. And some of them would actually be bangers, like the one from earlier, banger trade. Some of them would not work out at all. I never expected a chat to devolve to this now. I'm on, that sounds new. If I'm usually you're pulling her hair out, destroying things, threatening lives. I'm confused and having emotional breakdowns about how much is a particular account on Tradeify. I'll have to double check. Why is it working out so well now? This is the second trade I hesitated with and now it's working out beautifully. Okay, I just had to get some swear words out. I feel better now. Do a braid on your hair live on stream. Why? Is it hard? for girls to self-break. No, not really. Gotta just do it, yeah. Hey, Silver. I mean, if I had taken the trades that I had seen, I would be in the profits. All of them. Literally all of them. Literally all of them right now would have been in the profits. And I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. That's a lie. I'm mad and disappointed. Go on, trigger shy cookie. Ah, Louis, I nearly did it earlier and you were like, I wouldn't do that. And I was like, oh, okay. I'm sorry, that was so sassy. I'm so sorry, that was very, very sassy. My apologies. How much is it? I'll give it to you so you can get the fear out the way. Okay, I bet. Let's see. I'll tell you exactly. Waiting for the Wi-Fi to freak out. Mother fluffer. Sorry, I'm going mother fluffer because it's literally going to where the TP was. Ooh, shoot. I can't do that. Oopsies. Come on. Load. Let's see. Add account, please. Oh, okay, it's loading. Okay, Wi-Fi being slow. Maybe. I just got funded with 150k account with that short. Nice! I approve of your coffee, just never overdo it. You're right on the edge of angel and psychopath. Oh, that's the perfect level to be at. We do a select or a growth? Let's do a select. Which is better? No, okay. Growth is a little bit better. Should we do a 25k or 50k account? 50k. Excuse me, sir. Where's the discount code? There it is. $87. Cool, my code takes off $58, by the way, in case you were wondering. Save $58. If you buy 5 accounts, you can save an extra $37. Extra on top of the 58. But obviously you pay more for 5 accounts. So that's for the 50k. The 25k is obviously a little bit less. $25k account is, drumroll. Oh, check your internet connection. Give me a minute. Good grief. But I'll tell you, it'll be $59. There we go. Hope that answers that question. Let's make me want to cry. Okay, let's do this. Discombobulated, yes. You see that long blue wick up there? Louis, that is literally where I had a cell set. And you were like, should I? Wait, what did you say? I can tell you what you said because I can go into the chat. What did you say? Don't do that, Maya. Don't. Oh, were you talking about the jacket? Huh. You were talking about the jacket, my bad. Some pretty good price action since open up the line. But I'm not living too long making. Oh, the second long work, yeah. That was the confirmation. That's what's wrong with OTT. Last week he was super. Oh, y'all are being mean. Oh no, I feel like I've messed with the Wi-Fi now. But yeah, you're asking about Tradeify? That's how much Tradeify is. You were gonna enter and you didn't. Twice times, chill dude. 3 times. 3 times! And you know what's so irritating is now I know for a fact, because I've done this before. I've done it so many times where it's happened 3 times and then I say screw it, and the 4th time I enter and then it's a loss. No, don't be a negative Nancy. It'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Let's see what happens here at this bob level. Where was 4 AM? Because I feel like I've missed it. Oh damn, 4 AM was at this wick. Nice. It was the 4 AM. Retested. Oh, this could potentially go back up for those little cells now. Nope, maybe not. Only us mods can bully OTT. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? Hey, just not doing this. I'm in the map. I'm just checking. Getting my booty on all day for. I feel like I've missed out a bunch of this conversation, and it's only getting weirder. I'm lazy? Why are you lazy? What happened? Not to Otiana, just a joke. I bet you're probably more than just trading. Oh my gosh, David. Oh, whoop whoop, Dom. Well done. Proud of you. Super proud. I'm not sad, you're sad. It just tapped back into that 3 AM open. Sugar honey iced tea. Ah, what am I doing? Oh no. I was keen on it until I saw this wick on the 5-minute. Now I'm like, oh, maybe not. Wait. That 5-minute wick is not nice. No, Wi-Fi, don't do this. If y'all took the trades that I had set up, you guys are sitting pretty right now. If I had taken the trades I'd set up, I would be happy right now, but I'm an idiot, so it's okay. Yeah, if I was worried for you, at least worried. Cold, no sun. Oh no! I would be proud of you. Take the sim. Ow, ow, ow. Louis, what a wild question. What on earth? I feel am I watching you guys good at the moment? I'm on 2 years down, 5 people, UV percent students probably good one for me. Nice. I mean, two things I said, Louis, I did. They were a little bit unhinged. Wee! Okay, we still have time. We still have lots of time. We still have lots of time to get some trades on and get some whoop whoops. Don't be a dummy and jump in. Okay, Louis bet if you get me a 25k account, what did I say, it's $59, then that funded account, sure. I mean funded, eval, creepy. $4.17. This looks like it might potentially want to go back up. Let's check the 5-minute again. No, thank you. Sorry. I was about to have a mini meltdown at the Wi-Fi. Ooh. Oh, hello. Wait a minute. Wait a darn tootin' minute. Yes, I just said darn tootin'. Like a tootin' cowboy. A little bit risky with that massive freaking 5-minute fair value gap, but Ooh! See, now I'm getting cold again. See, this is the problem, guys. I'm hot and I'm cold. I'm yes and I'm no. Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in and you're out, you're up and you're down, you're wrong when it's right, black and it's white, we fight, we break up, we kiss, we make up. Sorry. No, not the funded, it's not funded. Sorry, Louis, it was an eval. Sorry. I don't know how much the funded would be. I can check like straight to funded, but the eval was 59.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even
Hi there, how's it going? I'm in minus on my funded again. Oh, minimally, I'm sorry. I'm having such a frustrating day. But it is what it is. We continue. But this is very much an it is what it is day. Search with no, don't do that. OTT. Like what type of cowboy? A rootin' tootin' cowboy? Have you guys never heard that? No? Did I just offend people? I hope I didn't offend people. That's just something I've always said. No? Aw, my coffee's nearly done. I'm sad now. Good rejection off of there. Mine over milkshakes. We're going to a pub. I butchered that. I was gonna say we ride at dawn, but yeah. Guys, I don't know if I told you, but one of my friends graduated. She got a PhD. Awesome. And her husband had a sword made for her. It is so cool, and I really, 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 really want to like with the sword. And I know that's probably a bad idea, and it's like beautiful and it's specially engraved for her, but I really, really want to just poke someone with the sword. I realize
That's what she said.
I realized.
Michael.
What's up, Vladimir? How are we doing? Rootin' means... What? Okay, the coffee's gone. Now time to watch Maya slowly crash and lose her mind. Oh, Lloyd. What's up, Azam? How are we doing? Give me a second, I'll be right back. Bye! I just had the most random thought. Should I one day just wear like a green shirt and put a little bit of a Harry Potter and just look like I'm a floating head? Anyways. Don't ask where that came from. No. Yep. 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 Okay. Did tag into the 50%, but this could still go potentially lower down. Let's quickly see what we got. Let's check the higher time frames. No, come back. Come back to tag me in, please. Pretty, please. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. No, my point of interest was the Midnight Magnet. Shoot. That's a big wig. Yes, that is what she said. Just changing it to one contract. Everybody calm down. But it is still an A+ for me. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'm about to skyrocket. No! What's up, Ninja? How you doing? Hey, Mike. What's up? Why? Breakout. Anyways. Bro, why? Why are we like this? Why are we like this? This now feels like I'm pushing it slightly. A little bit. A little bit feels like I'm pushing it. Sugar honey iced tea. Well, sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands. Sitting on my hands. Thanks, coffee cup from my eyes. Oh, Ninja, I'm good. I'm very frustrated today, but I'm okay. It is what it is. We just continue doing what we're doing. And crying a little bit on the inside, but it's fine. I hope I got sick. Ninja, do you know what's hilarious? I actually have... Should I go and get the... I have these monster... I didn't get rid of them, did I? Oh! No, I don't think I did. I have these freaking monster high heels. Like... monster. I have never worn them in fear of, you know, breaking an ankle. My friend gave them to me. I don't even know where she got them. But my friend gave them to me. And... it was just too good. Atlanta, no. What do you mean no Atlanta? No what? Oh my gosh, are we about to have a weird stream like yesterday again? All of the weirdness. Oh, just hands off. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. No, Tamina just, yeah, because I'm confused. What do you mean? No. No, what? May as well, because this price action isn't tapping you in. That was very mean. It could still tap me in. That sounds very good. Put that coffee down, but it's done now. I'm sad. Coffee done. I'm sad. Okay, I'm gonna. You're getting dangerous. That other you. Oh, the unhinged one. I will go and grab them because I'm tempted to close this trade. So in order to stop myself from doing that, oh, butterfly of the day. I could do butterfly of the day. Shall we do butterfly of the day? Which one? Heels or butterfly of the day? Now I'll show you the heels. I'm not going to put them on though. Okay, get the butterfly. I can't drink coffee and trade. I'll end up longing and shorting in you at the same time. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I know which one. Where is he? I know which butterfly to do. Don't know where he is though. I'm pretty sure I've shown you guys this one before. He's so cool. Yeah, I have. The flame bordered emperor. I don't know if I've shown you this dude though. He literally always chinchills on a tree outside. The white barred emperor. Let me show you guys that one. Will distract me from this. So, are we ready? Wait, wait, boop. Here we go. White barred emperor butterfly. He literally chinchills on the tree outside. How cool is he though? Look at all of these details on the outside of his wings, and then on the inside, I would say a little bit plain Jane, but he's still quite he's a big boy. That sounded weird, but you know what I mean. This is him though. That's cool. Cannot deny it. It's pretty damn cool. Shall we? So the white barred emperor has a wingspan of 60 to 90 millimeters. Big boy. Wait. He is pugnacious, and aggressive. Chasing all flying creatures entering its domain, even birds. Visits red flowers. Yeah. And it likes to visit red flowers. Damn, okay, so he's a bit of a bully. And he chases birds. Respect. So he is very common in low altitude savanna, lowland, riverine, and Afromantic forests along eastern littoral from Eastern Cape, Van Salens Pass near Port Elizabeth to KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, and Mpumalanga and Limpopo Province locals. Habitat is forest edges, flatlands, and coast. Flight period is year-round, more common late summer to autumn, which is now. Well, yeah, which is basically now. So yeah, like I said, this is him. Almost looks like they're an exact same photo that's on Google right now. Latin name, can't forget the Latin name. Baracus Brutus Natalensis. Nailed it. So yes, that is our butterfly of the day. How is this looking? I'm scared. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Oh no, Wi-Fi. Okay. Let's see. My aunt heels a hazard for me. Yes, it's why if I do ever wear heels, they're like boots. They are boot heels because I am a hazard. I'm a walking hazard. Me and heels, bad. I will. Fun fact, I'm making coffee. Oh, do you want to make me some, please, David? Did the heater break in your house? I do not have a heater. What's up, Root Beer Supreme? Have I seen an osprey hunt? No, what's that? My second short entry is where your stop loss is located. That's nice. That's fun for me. God, you have a big book of butterflies and not sinister stories of spiders. Shaki, I love that. Weird fact about the white part, these butterflies are attracted to sweat-soaked human clothing. Oh, sweat. Sweet. Sweat-soaked human clothing. There are minerals in human sweat that nourishes it. It also likes dead cocks. It's a bit gruesome. What's up, Pujan? How are you doing? I'm gonna be tweaking. Please don't say it's done it again. Please don't say it's done it again. Please don't say it's done it again. Where it has edged me. Okay. I'm still leaving it alone. I'm still hands off.
That's what she said. Michael.
Ooh! Silva, I have actually seen some birds do that. I just didn't know that their names were that. By the way, I'm gonna share it on Discord. I don't know if any of you guys have seen, let me Google them. The crowned, oh damn, what are they called? They're not a heron. Crane. Yeah. Okay, let me quickly show you guys this. See if you guys. Okay, I'm leaving it alone. Leave it alone. Have you guys ever seen this? Yeah? Have you ever seen this bird before? The crowned crane. Fun fact. There are literally 2 wild ones here. I'm assuming a breeding pair. There are 2 wild ones here. While running yesterday morning, they like flew over me and landed on the golf course. And I went and like took a video of them. I was quite close to them. They're obviously a little bit cautious. They are very much endangered. I didn't even know there were any left in the wild. And there are just 2 that chinchill basically right outside. And I'm just like, what the heck? He's got a cool hat. What hair gel do they use? That's a very good question. They do have a very cool hat though. Look at it. But yeah. And everyone here is just so like, oh, whatever. And I'm just like, this is unheard of. I didn't even know that there were any in the wild still. Sorry, random little fun fact. Were you sober when you saw that? But yes, I was sober. Good grief. Like I said, I have a video as proof. And Perry saw them, so I have proof. This is not looking the most promising, but I'm sticking with it. I'm still staying hands off. We are in. I'm ignoring it now. So close that I must tap in. And we're factoring on breakfast. Nice, Kujan. How you doing, by the way? I need Perry's testimony. That's fair. I want to hear your dog's version of the story. Yeah, they were nesting in that tree behind you. That one, right there. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. Don't look at it. I'm not, Louis. Can you tell I'm laser focused? Have you ever thought about time, like time in trade? What do you mean about that, Atlanta? Like how much time I'm willing to spend in a trade? Sometimes it's literally not worth to watch for 5 to 20 minutes. I hear you. It's also very valid. Sometimes it's really not worth to sit and wait and watch and sit and wait and watch. But that's why I'm chatting to you guys. That jacket makes you look cheap. But it makes me feel comfy. That's all that matters. Breathe, complete serenity. You are smooth as a butterfly. Smooth operator. What's up, Ninja? It's a tricky game that you'll master. Wait, Atlanta, are you saying you should just leave it, or it's not worth leaving it for that long? I'm a little bit confused about what the point of the time was. Like, are you saying that trades that take that long are not worth it, or are you saying that those trades... Yeah. David, I thought it was our best fit yet. So, when was it? Oh my gosh, it was 10 years ago. No? 2017. 9 years ago. We had like a girls' trip to Italy, which was super cool. So when I say girls' trip, it was literally my gran, my aunts, my mom, me and my sister. So all the girls of the family. And in Italy, we obviously went to go see the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And while walking down, I will not forget this because everyone started laughing. Someone offered my gran 1,000 horses for me, and I straight up turned to him and said, screw that, I'll take the 1,000 horses. And everyone was just like, what is wrong with you? I'm like, what do you mean? You just offered me 1,000 horses. Anyways. To be young and dumb. Better than the Amish one from the other day. Oh, yes, I mean. So where are the stripper heels? We want to see. I'm trading, trying to trade silver later today during New York. I'm in the Ninja Trader tournament. My heat is later today. Ooh! That's cool though. Like I said, I'm not even looking. I'm just going with it. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, I see. What time frame is this on, David? Oh, the 3 minute. There's a lot going on here, if I do say so. So you really like these breaker blocks. To be fair, the breaker block looks similar to my shelves. Is that basically what a breaker block is? I haven't looked up enough on breaker blocks, but it low-key looks a tad bit like my shelves. Or, you know, I call them shelves. There's something like that from levels lower, how long it takes to go from being up to smaller, things like that. No, that's fair. I'll change your perceived positive manner, make you even more patient. Processing, I'm meant to help someone buy 500 horses to marry a girl. 500 horses. 500 horses? What are you gonna do with 500 horses? Were they race horses? That's the only time having 500 horses is valid. The shows maybe you should define that not maybe waiting. This caused me unnecessary anxiety, which led to me saying that things felt a lot longer than I'm saying this, so I disagree in the moment. That's fair. Smooth operator. Sorry, that's not stuck in my head. So breaker block is basically the last failed order block that took out a high. Or like villagers, I think they use them on farms. This is dark as heck. I don't know if I want to be in this conversation anymore. I have no idea the bullet she dodged in that story. I'm just ignoring all of you guys right now. Okay, let me go grab the shoes because I'm getting tempted to do something dumb. So, be right back. Oh, look at it going to my stop loss. Anyway, these are the shoes, by the way. You see, I have not worn them, but they are quite hefty. The dumbest thing you've done this morning was down a... What do you mean? It was 1 teaspoon. Louis, it looks like it will. But it's okay. It is what it is. We then move on to the next trade. That's all we can do. Yeah. Put them on. What, do you want to see how tall I get when I put them on? This is gonna be a bad idea. So, okay, I'm like that height when they're off. I'm just gonna put one on because it's too much effort to put both on. Okay. So you guys saw there. Workplace injury incoming. I mean, they are quite cool. I can't really show you how they look unless I do that. There we go. Can you see the heel? Oh, me trying to walk around in these. How tall are you in American? How tall am I in American? I don't know. Who has the answer? Wasn't I like 5'2"? Holy cow, giant Maya. Can I walk in them or do I wobble? I can walk. I think I'm just orkies, but I can walk in them. Again, I'm very awkward, but I can. Yes, they have red bottoms as well. They're not fancy though, I don't think. Thanks for that, you've completed them all. I do what I can. Smooth operator. I'm 5'9", 5'10". Am I not 5'2"-ish? No? How tall am I? We've had this discussion before. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Use feet, huh? Let's say I'm 1'6'6". I'm 5'4". Yeah. I'm around 5'4"-ish. I'm pretty like average height if I do say so myself. Why are you feeding into people's... I'm not feeding into the foot fetish. I'm showing them my shoes. I'd rather watch you be miserable now. Be distracted. Wow. Always when we seen girls in high heel show up to our shows, standing in line with nail jacket on, hanging in their arms. Go back to looking at your trade. Eh. Yeah. So, Solly, do you know what's funny? I was actually saying that to him earlier. I even said to him, I was like, we're going back to the old days where showing ankle was like super, super sexual. If you start to show ankles, that is too intense. Can't do that. Feet is worse. What have I done? Why do I have a really bad feeling that this thing is going to tick me out and then head for TP? Do I have ankles or cankles? What a mean question. Since you dropped your feet, the viewer count went down 5. There were some feet people in here for a second. Oh, look at Solly coming with the big boy words. But yes, I feel like that is what's happening. We're going back to them days where the feet and the ankles were like, whew, I gotta fan themselves down type of BS. That's a fair question. I'm just trying to figure out if they get 30 cows or 29. Wow. I don't even know if my parents would want cows, to be fair. Nah, egregious is a TikTok word, I get no points. Ah, damn. I appreciate the honesty though, you get some points for that. Some points for the honesty. What's up, Lucky? Yes, I did hop on the stream with wet hair because I showered this morning. I don't know if that counts or not. Like in the 18th, they used ankle fans. Yeah, valid. Hey, hallelujah, what's up? Hallelujah. Yeah, but all one used to show was ankles. That's why there were attraction, because that's all the men could see. Exactly. Pretty sweet, we're not gonna lie. Not many people use egregious. True. Son, did your TP hit? Is that what you're saying? No, then feet because I hit every other stop. No, there's nothing there. Shoulders were a thing. Same with necks. Oh yeah, there was a bit of like, if they have a nice slender neck or something, that was a thing, right? I prefer busting out serendipitous every now and then. No, it was not. My TP was not hit. Just love your tenacity. I'm not even watching what's happening anymore, to be fair. She was just getting her feet out for views. I was showing the heels. We were having a discussion about high heels. And then I said that my friend actually got me, well, she had these heels and then she gave them to me. I don't know why, because I've never... My stop loss hit? No, I didn't. What do you mean? Question for the blind. Have you ever showered with your glasses on? No. Who has showered with their glasses on? Hallelujah. I'm good. I can't complain. I mean, I'm in this trade that low-key looks like it wants to be womp womp. But it is what it is. But man, you gotta do what you gotta do for the bread. Eyes make me sound so bad. You really make me sound so bad. Good actual grief. All I did was show people my high heels because they asked about the high heels. I don't even know how we got onto the topic of high heels, but high heels came into the topic. To be fair, so this is... Sorry, we're going on to random topics all over the place. Oh, why does this look like it's gonna hit my stop loss? Oh well. No, don't hit the plan again. As there no one liquidity is located, the current petition high, lemon high. What the heck? She's getting triggered. I hope you guys know that you're mean to me. Girl power and all that. Thanks, Holly. Anyways, what I was saying, swiftly changing... Oh no, this is definitely gonna hit my stop loss. So what I was saying, you know, very quickly changing the conversation. Did you know that when you lose weight, your feet shrink. Like, I don't know if you guys knew that was a thing. I didn't know it was a thing. I used to be like a size 6.5. I'm now a 4.5. Yes, Ninja, I do remember about the app. I feel like making you rage quit today. Bring it on, Microwave. Bring it on. Am I not selling market after big drop in price and price? Really help me trading results long term. It would make sense. Saying your feet got smaller. Yeah. Damn, you were beefy. I want to say... Yeah, I kind of was. It wasn't even that I weighed a lot. I weighed like 65 kilograms, but for me, that was pretty heavy. And yeah, I guess for me it was pretty beefy. Good grief, Livy. Okay. Yeah, a bigger building needs a bigger base. Wait for David. That's in a pickle. We don't believe you. Damn, Big Bertha. That's terrible. That's unhinged. That is unhinged right now. Oh my gosh. Big Bertha. I'd have to try. Just more to love. I'd have to try and find a photo, in all honesty. I don't even know if I have one. Let me see. We're buying, preparing for manipulation. Eh. You know, my brain goes to, should I then just get out at break even, but it's fine. Atlanta, that's the thing. It's not even like I was huge. I haven't gained or lost that much. Let me try to see if I actually still have some of these photos. I don't know if I do. It was like a few years ago. If we talk like this in any other trading stream, we get banned. Cheers to Zempic. If it reaches midnight, I'm gonna go mitigate risk by half. I don't know if I should actually just go break even at that point. Let me see something. I'll move it there. Okay. So I have to try and attempt to find this now. It feels like so long ago. Do 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 do. Good grief. How long ago was this? Oh, I do still have them. Yeah, I don't look great. I don't actually want to show you guys these photos. Louis says stop messing with it. What do you mean stop messing with it? Yeah, well, it's break even. Which is better than I thought it would be. It was. Excuse me, sir. Wanna... No! Fluffer. Oh well. I thought David was gonna ban you. Oh, you made me laugh so good. I'm gonna make some young lady's day later on. Atlanta, do it! What do you mean? What do you mean? Saying what? Doing what? I'm scared when you say that. What are you gonna do? No. The thought of you having to basically swap out feet from being so fat is just hilarious. I'm still trying to debate if I'm completely offended by that or not. Still debating it. Let's see. Let's see. I haven't quite decided yet, but it's fine. There we go. Now it's hands off again no matter what. Why are you singing the Muppets? I don't know. It keeps getting stuck in my head. Banana boat. Banana boat? What the heck is banana boat? We're buying at 29100. Son, what? Where are you? What are you on? Like, what asset are you on? Because I said asset, not acid. Maybe both are true, but that's not the point. What asset are you on? Because we are well below 29100. Like, very well below it. Why are we walking around like Andre the Giant? Size 64 was like the difference between me and a cold shower. No, to be fair, like I said, it was super gradual. I was like a size 6, and then it kind of went 5.5, 5, and I was like, oh, size 5, that's cool. And then I tried on shoes the other day that are 5, and they are a little bit too big. And then I tried a 4, but you know when it's just a little bit too uncomfy, so I was like, okay, so I guess I'm size 4.5. You don't know, I have not. Oh, that's a pity. This might come and take me out of break even. See, I wanted to see it go further down. Oh well, it's still hands off. Whatever happens, happens. Dude has a 200-point range between TP and stop loss. It's not also good fitter, and then she has a size 4 and 3/4 inch waist. The woman's 14 up. We're entering by. Oh, you're entering a buy here at 2.9. Okay. Okay, got it. Your TP is at 29100. And your stop loss is at 28900. So you have a 1-to-1R. No? Wait a minute. That's a negative R. Give me a second. Buying at 2.9. Did I just place a short here? No, I placed nothing here. 28900. You say is your stop loss. You have a 1-to-1R strategy? That is insanity. That is a huge freaking stop loss. But okay, you know. Strength. Strength to you. Not too far, don't be greedy, give it breathing room. But there. I'm picturing Ronald McDonald with a gut. Arjan, what's up? You like this channel? Yeah, valid. I want when that's the bigger the stop loss, the less likely it's gonna hit. That's an unnecessary large stop loss. I want to get to know people in the chat. They're from strategies, etc. Make whatever I can make money quicker. Scrapping changes the sidewall. Picturing me with clown shoes is sad. Hey Envy, what's up? To be fair, the heels did have red on them. Just saying. To be fair. Da, da, na, na, na. Oh, I should probably put this here. Might be. I forgot about that. In case anyone was wondering. This is the tread. Oh no. This might be where it comes to take me out though. At the 50%. Can I leave it alone? What's up, Rowan? How you doing? Where are all these people from? You're from Amsterdam, Netherlands. I mean, there's a variety of people here, to be fair. Variety. Volume, cooking, profit coming. Did your old shoes squeak when you walked? Wee woo wee woo. Ah, I wish I had a straw. Oh, clown juice. Sorry. You know, like, you take away cups and the straw in them and you go, call it clown juice. I'm sorry, I'll stop. We're at 20 plus points. Now my reasons for my stop loss and unpoint stop loss. The point must be because he's doing one micro and just hoping to pick the right direction without being stopped out first in case it goes against him. Yeah, that makes sense though. I don't know if I want to be here for this conversation anymore. I'm just saying, I don't know if I actually want to be here for this conversation, but we're still here, so we carry on. Pull my hair wants to make me stop. That is hilarious. 5 figures in a single trade. The retrade and manipulation. So position on buy. Mikuave, I'm not going to overthink that anymore. What's wrong? What's the matter? Oh, you're a bit itchy, okay. Right now, but down. Daddy, chill. Oh, flip.
That's what she said.
What are you barking at? Yeah, sorry. Let me quickly go see. Okay. I'm so happy to get the binder. Run, yeah, chat is wild. You are not wrong. You are very much not wrong. Chat is on another level today. We're just here for the ride. Said I wanted to see it take that on. Projecting off of the wick. Oh well. TP's basically at 50%, so let's see what happens. Do 90% of the time what you're singing the voice to taste. I'm not caring about breaking. Not sure, I'm not getting $2 knuckle. Well, it hasn't hit yet, guys. You guys are saying whoop whoop to something that's not a whoop whoop yet. It's a meh. It's a meh for now. Let's see. We're still in it. It's a no risk trade. I mean, it was very risky earlier. Good grief. It was very, 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 very close to stop loss. I'd abandon all hope. It's not at 50%, it's like at 40%. No, I'm pretty sure it's like 50% there. Oh, no, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. That is more like 40%. Let's see. There's one way to tell. No, you were correct. It was closer. Well, maybe not 40%. Like, if we're being super specific. It's a OTT, I'm not mad. I'm more proud than mad at that one. That was good. Now it's at like 50%. Wow, I'm a beefy bastard. No, I weigh 200 pounds. How much is that? Good luck with that bare bones blind monkeys, relative. Heck yeah! Gosh darn, we were in there for a long time. Whee! But we did it! Whoop whoop! Cool! And we are up to... Oh no, Wi-Fi is having a freak out again. Okay, let's give it a second. But we can put a little white tick over here. Yay! Let's put it there. Yep, that's still stuck in my head, and it's gonna be stuck in my head the rest of the day. Why is Wi-Fi being so dumb? Whee! Okay, there we go. Okay, now we can do whoop whoop. If it allows. There we go, whoop whoop. Someone call Bob. Yeah, I was considering, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna be greedy. I was considering moving it to the Bob level, but I was like, no, leave it alone. Don't do that. Okay, let's see. 873. Okay. No, you do mind pick on her when she's feeling. Well, if TP was at the bob level, it would have actually been quite good, but it's fine. If I had placed two I mean, I originally had it at 2 when it was a bit of a smaller range, and it just kept going, and then I made it 1. If I had kept 2, then I would have maybe left the second one to the bob level, but that's fine. It's still a whoop whoop, regardless. Up nearly $100. Good grief. How are we looking at time-wise? Woo! Perfect timing. Okay. How long were we in that mamma jamma for? 4:40? So 5:15. Cool. 35-minute trade. White baby. Do you mean ice baby? Not white baby? What? Can't overthink the trade when the chat is cooking flames. Valid, Solly. When we're having this much of a weird conversation, can't even be bothered to check at the flipping trade. I'm mad at myself because I was gonna start screaming maybe. No, Louis, you know the deal. I'm not greedy unless I have 2 cons in. Then the one con will be TP. The next one I'll try to be a little bit more greedy. Aw, enjoy Ninja. Wait. Ninja, you're a firefighter? What? Hero. I also did. Oh, Bito, yes! Okay, wait. We gotta do a whoop whoop for Bito as well. Heck yeah, guys! Wins in the chat today. I love it. Cheers, Ninja. Mad love. You're amazing. Freeman, how do you configure for your entry? What do you mean by configure? Do you mean confirm? Oh, thanks, Rowan. I appreciate it. 100 kilos equals 220 pounds, so... Lipcon, what is happening? I don't understand what the question is right now. Anyways, at least they were winner chicken dinners today. I want to quickly see something on the 5-minute with regards to this. Oh, if the Wi-Fi would do me the kindness. Thanks. Appreciate ya. Was this actually the trade I took? It was. Not exactly, wait. No, it was 2. Okay. Awesome. Give myself some wiggle room again. Cool. It's okay, so that was, what? How many missed trades was that today? Where did we start? Oh, there. I was like, where have we gone today? 1, 2, 3. 3 missed trades today. 1 whoop whoop. Let's be happy for the one we got, right? Be happy for the one we got. Let's see if the volume is going to continue or if it's going to kind of be a little bit meh now. Louis, what? Oh, how did I enter there? A limit order. Yeah. Had a limit order placed here, so it went up. Got real close. It's not going to let me flipping. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I was like, say 3 points away from stop loss. I really thought it was actually going to wick me out and then go down. Anyways. You didn't have 3 missed trades, they missed you. Oh, I said guess. Did you get another whoop whoop, Louis? Do you know the large imbalances like fair value gap you filled at the bottom of always rebalance? Yes. That's the whole point of the market, right? It always wants to be in balance. Always, which is why all-time highs were a little bit terrifying, because there's so many imbalances to the sell side and it just never came back to balance, which means everyone is waiting for the new bearish market to come and balance the market back up. OTT, it's been close. It feels... Do you know what? Do you know where we are back to, OTT? We are back to that 2 steps forward, 1 step back situation. That's low-key how it feels right now. 2 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. Like every time I increase a little bit and then I go... And then I increase a little bit and then go... But I guess it's still moving forward, right? I think that's the point. We're still moving forward. Aw, thanks, Louis. I'm not a firefighter, I'm a software developer. It's the only man. A firefighter mode. Got it. The limit order should be at the top of the fair value gap. Oh, so I use a GAN box. I just place things where my GAN box be, and that's that. Done and dusted. And I wasn't expecting that, but I respect it. My still in the game, you're winning. That's true. And still moving forward. The thing I always use is a GAN box. Looks like a fit, but it's actually a GAN box. Yeah. GAN box. And dims the levels. What does it tell you? It just shows me, like I said, shows me the 50% of the range, the 30% of the 50% for my stop loss, and the 1 to 2 hour down. Hey Ricky, what prop firm do I use for futures? I'm currently funded with Top 1. Here we go. I want to get myself one, maybe a 20, no, I don't know. I want to get myself a Tradeify account as well. Gosh darn, imagine if I did leave a runner. Public Wi-Fi, automatic, do you put it in? No, I put it in. Oh, thanks, Jose. That's my secret sauce, I appreciate that. To be fair, sure. I'm happy about that. This wouldn't have retested. Nothing here would have retested. Yep. Nope. Nope, let's not go and be dumb now. Okay. Yeah, Top 1 allows South Africans. Alpha is also SA friendly now. They recently became SA friendly, so that's cool. Yeah, like I said, if you want the discounts, you can also use my code for any of them. I don't know if Alpha still has discounts going on. Tradeify does. On the 50k, what did I say? It took off $38 or something? I forgot now. But yeah, there are some awesome specials. There's always some awesome specials going on. There we go. I mean, you guys can also download the prop firm platform list right there. No, Atlanta SA for South Africa. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get me freaking... Sorry, it's getting hot again. You're gonna get me cancelled if you do that. I I watched a video on GAN the other day and... Thoughts? I'll just look on the 5 minute. It's headed for Asia low. It's going down, down, do 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 do. And sugar going down, swinging, do 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 do. Damn, London's actually moved quite nicely today. That being said, Asia also moved quite nicely. Ah, there it goes. Look at this candle on the 5 minute. How big is this? 50 point. I keep forgetting I'm zoomed in. I'm looking at it going like, whoa! It's a 50 point candle. I mean, it's not like tiny, but... I'll look at the scan box thing later. I have a feeling I do what it does, but in my head. Oh, okay, so kind of like how I did the 50% of the wick. I just eyeballed it and then it was on point. Shall we see if I can do it again? I'm curious. Ah, this one was a nope. It's not a tiny bit. That's pretty on point. Okay. Well, to be fair, I'm so used to checking out the 50% of ranges, it kind of makes sense that now midpoint for me is starting to feel a little bit more natural to identify. That's 2 for 2, getting the 50% of the wicks right there. Boom. Do a braid on yourself and see if it comes out symmetrical. Oh no, it won't, trust. I mean, I could do a little braid like this, but I can guarantee you it won't be symmetrical. It's gonna be a disaster. Oh no, it's already a disaster. Good grief. Nope. 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 See. Thanks, Louis. Now this is gonna bug me. Appreciate it. Now I feel like I have to. I know I don't have to, but it's gonna bug me. Ooh, it nearly went back up to the 50%. Was a few points short. Well, a few. Okay, quite a few points short. But still, it did retrace slightly back in. I'm not doing this very well at all. I'm not making it tight or anything, but... Whee! I just have too much hair. Quick whisper. Why are we dumping? Any news, Adam? Not really. Oh, cheers, Louis. Yeah. Guys, if my hair's... Don't be dumb. I will never go bald. I'm sorry, that's like my limit. Is that a dreadlock? No, no, no. This is just a braid. You're not seeing the braid. It's because it's so small. But... How about now? It's a little braid. Oh, I made it look like a rat's nest over there. But it is a little braid. Holy guacamole. What is happening? How does this look on the 1 minute? Let's quickly see here. Sure, this thing is just going bob to bob like a mad lad today. An absolute mad lad. Whoopsies. Took out Asia low. Ooh, is it headed for the previous day low at 813? Bob to bob. At least you tried your best. That's all you can do at the end of the day. You do your best. Oh no, I'm stuck. Used to have one of them dyed blonde going down my left shoulder when I was 6. Oh my gosh, Solly, were you like, okay, not exactly, because his was not dyed blonde and it was not going over his shoulder. Jim from Treasure Planet, the most underrated freaking movie, if I do say so myself. That and Sinbad. Sinbad, yes, I said that correctly. Yeah, okay, no, not quite. He has like a tiny little weird ponytail situation. And there is in the candle. Easy dabs. I'll check it out now, Louis. Oh, never seen it before, guys. Treasure Planet, like I said, completely underrated. Loved it. He has like this weird little ponytail situation going on. That's not it. Yeah. Can see the weird little ponytail situation going on over there. So such an underrated movie. I low-key want to go and watch it now. Anyways, back to the trading. And we're gonna retest. Like I said, it did literally just take out Asia low. It does kind of look like it wants to take out previous day low though. Entry there wouldn't be the worst place actually. It's a little large for me. It's just cooler to have it off of one side. Ollie, you sound like you were such a little badass 6-year-old. The 10 years, 5 minutes, any other news. And dyed blonde because 2006 Eminem. When those 3 down arrows popped up.
That's what she said.
Just like nice. Sorry, Wi-Fi is being a little bit slow. Let's see where when the 3 arrows popped up. Oh, I see. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I was quickly checking out Discord. It's sleepy time. Data skaters. Cheers, Louis. Mad love. We'll see. What do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq Futures Independent MD. I'm specifically MNQ. We did go up just shy of $100 today, so that was nice. Doesn't look like it's retesting, although the headache's back. I don't know if it was maybe a blessing or not that the Wi-Fi freaked out yesterday. My head was on fire. And I woke up with a headache, it briefly went away. Maybe it was this insane conversation. It's open at this time, is this live? Yeah, this is the London open. Yeah, or London session. And then I'm back again for the New York session. I don't even know what that is, Atlanta. What that? But yeah, this is 100% live. Independent MD. I'll do a piece now. With a kiss at the end, which did not happen. Okay. I will make sure I do it twice times for you today, Louis, okay? Happy? Happy. Adam, I did! Checky. Right there. I was in it for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, it did stress me out slightly there. But yeah, I got in on it. A little bit grumpy I wasn't super greedy now and just left a runner, but it's fine. It's fine. This was a decent 50-point drop, so it's okay. Potentially I would actually be looking at this trade now, but I don't want to just give back the profits I just made. Maybe wait for New York session and we go again. We go round 2, being brave. That's the point of today. Be brave. No longer trigger shy. Yeah. How much is course? I'm not selling a course. Independent MD. A thick soup with seafood, vegetables, and rice. Isn't that more like a stew? If it's a thick soup. More like a stew. How much is your Discord course? Again, don't have a course, and the Discord's free. And if you want to join the VIP section of the Discord, all you gotta do is show me that you used my my code, my Teach Maya discount code. Then you can be part of the VIP section of Discord. And then if you cash have to only you get one teaching with Maya. There we go. Point taken, that's just what they call it for whatever reason. I don't think it's possible with the size that's here, to be fair. Let's check this out, but I think even one contract will be a bit too much. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be a tad bit too much, even with one contract, so I literally can't downsize it more. What's up, Sakosta? What's up? How you doing? What a good drop. Who else got in on this drop, by the way?
That's what she said.
What's wrong with you guys? What is... Okay. Ugh. Oh, the headache's starting. But let's still see if this drop continues or not. I'm gonna leave this up out of curiosity. Sorry, I don't know why I deleted it. But I'm gonna leave it up out of curiosity to see if it does work out. It kind of looks like it's doing exactly what it did earlier. Slow climb back up. And then drop down. It almost looks like it's replicating this exactly. If it reaches this far up though, we will have to see. Technically this range is here. It would have tapped in. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's using the closer range. Damn, so technically I guess I could have made it less by using the closer range, but that would have been... That would have been a B setup, not an A+. Would have worked, would have been a whoop whoop, but it would have been... Screw it, maybe I should actually just start taking the B setups, they're working quite well. Does go against some of the rules, but I mean... Oh, no, wouldn't have hit TP. Would have literally wicked in though. Not me, lost an early trade this morning. That's okay though. Don't blame your headache on us. Jose, what are I 1 to 2 are? They'll probably buy it back before New York, then dump it harder in New York station. Okay, so does everyone think this is the start of the bear run? Let's do a quick poll before we end the stream. bajillionaire? Who's the bajillionaire? What's happening? Make a third option. No! That'd be rude. Okay. Just gonna leave it super simple, yes or no? I hope it's a bear run. Yes, it is. Anyways, I don't know what's happening, so I'm just gonna ignore you guys. Okay. When in doubt, just be like, that's nice. Okay, previous day low, it looks like it's on its way for that. I want to watch it take out the previous day low, and then we might call it a day there. And then come back for New York to New York. If the Wi-Fi allows. If the Wi-Fi do doth declare that I have permission. Depending on how previous week, no, that's the higher time frame change a character. Okay, David, let's see if it gets there though. Well, that's the point, right? Oh, lucky you missed it! You did, you missed it. It was the White Bard Emperor. Let's see, we're having a little bit of a... Some people saying no, it's not the start. Some people saying yep, it's the start of the bear run. I mean, let's take a minute to zoom out here, right? Shall we? So let's check the 5 minute. I mean, we have clearly started making some lower highs. And lower lows. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. Hello, hello, hello. Sorry. 15 minute. Sorry, just so that it's not in the way. But this is the main one at 743. If we break 743, then I think that's the solid confirmation. Okay, there's about to be chaos in the charts. Everyone be prepared. Okay, so I have it as a New York low. Cool. High lows going down, lower lows being formed. Except for there, but now we are starting to create it again. Let's see if it takes out the previous day low. Seven, 4, 1, cool. Let's see. Stu, yeah, that's, I think that's the plan. I'm gonna get one, maybe even if it's 25k, and just start taking all of them. 25k account and be like, sure, let's go for it. Damn, that's a long way down, yep. She's stubborn emperor, like one from yesterday's London session. A little bit. What do you mean it's 6? Are you saying I must leave? Wow, rude. How rude. Rejection off of the Bob level? I get it. You just want me to leave. That's whatever, Lana. That's mean. That's mean. So no's are winning on the one stream and yeses are winning on the other with regards to if this is the beginning of the bear run. I shall be leaving soon, okay? Damn. Damn. I won't take another trade. Well, New York. Let's do this. New York. New York. New York. Be brave. Be brave. Okay. We've got this. I guess Mr. 100 point stop loss got stopped out a while ago.
Emotional damage.
I must say, I low-key love it when we have beef with the same person. Anyways. It's amazing. Give it one more go. Oh, I see Wi-Fi starting to have a little bit of a meltdown. But yeah, Shaki, I would assume so, right? But there was so much buying pressure there. I'm so sorry, I'm being so sassy. I'll stop. I'm being a bee. I'm a bee, I'm a bee, I'm a bee. Okay, yeah, let me call it. I'ma call it. Let's see if it takes our previous day low and what it does at that level, as well as if we reach down to this New York low. Yeah. Yeah, it's a 741. Once it breaks this, that's like a very hectic change of character, and then we gotta see if we gotta break a structure with that as well, or if we're gonna head back up. Hit more aggressively and do it. Like taking every single one, Stu. Like every single one, even if it's like a C, or should I still be like conservative with it? I don't know if, does that make sense? Am I asking the correct questions here? And those heels were awful. Why? Why were they awful? They're not. Number one, you aren't asking the right questions. What do you mean I'm not asking the right questions? Explain. Explain yourself. You genuinely have me curious now. Sorry, we're gonna have this quick conversation before I call it. What are the questions then, Atlanta? I'm waiting. Da-dum. Da-dum. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. All right, before I forget, let's call this poll. Oh, stop it. Okay, ended quick sticks. With the small amounts until. What do you mean the small amounts? This is the thing. Oh, thanks, Mka. Okay, let's call it for today. I love you guys madly. This is for you. Mwah. Okay, that's one. I promised to do two today. I'm gonna call it there. We are up nearly $100. Let's see what New York brings. If it brings us some more whoop whoops. But wins in the chat today, I absolutely love it. You guys were amazing. I had so much fun today. Today was a very fun day. Very frustrating in the beginning. Trust the emotions were a little bit spiked and FOMO did want to take control. But it's fine. We move on. And then I got my winner chicken dinner. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Whoop whoop for the chat because it looks like there was a lot of green today, which is fantastic. Okay. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. You guys are more than welcome to join the Discord. There'll just be a verification purely to try and stop the bots and the scammers. Okay. Sorry about that. It's just they're very irritating. So it's a way to try and stop that. And yes, I will then see you guys later in the RV. Yes? Yes. And if you want a discount code, you know it. It's teach my all caps, no gaps. Love you guys madly. Shake you on the flippity flop.